KSA pen kacali somal atuma pan panau si cerok tok amai ke padopon Lang Chiting Bethany Baptist Church alo Rupelin Karcho Kardom ada berta long paneli berta than bang thare harmony ben non bertang ton pen arjuik tha Yes to life say no drugs and alcohol What happy and si prinify enkora truck arni Hamran rohang bong patuak lamalom KSA Hamran head branch pen pati pi ponsi cherok tok amai ke padopon berta Card news pherangke khundor group pen berta nang pali Cirok tok amai ke padopon laki Hamren arong supi angkang kacali osomar atum kacali anat kepaci hung rakia hormu ke chopen kepaci o lapen ahok pet social media kirimdun apu taksi padopon ada porpai kebra chitim aporpen KSA head bronze amai pu prosanto ingtipen mai chepahempu ponsi mai along thanbang Philip Taro Ritu Kramsapi KSA Central Committee amai pu Bijoy Be Rapchun Bang Thangsing Timung Lapen Wiswajit Teronatum Chetongdung Anparta KSA Regional Committee Amaipu Rubin Timung Pendanglok Hamren Mohila Samiti Lapen School Thanbang Atum Anta Chetongdun Kadokowe Bangsuri Sibak Duji Hamren Angkang Ahom Tin School Pen Ingdeng Truck Pen Cap Ankachali Somaratum Chetongdun Kachetongdun Alusar Po Atum Pen Kachali Somaratum Apan Kusonsi Internet Social Media Rimdun Nangjima Alam The Kethan Pare Ajay Mek Pado Lasolong Raki Hormu Pen Kapache lo lapen kacali anat akili apor kacipi thek jia phan than pachini pon
asila so meeting lo hamre narat phan ke damtang pennang ani pen so dak jidu kachenek ke solution sin mandelo dak contractor sa tum pen lo asi la so long tong sekot pen ke patang seragi phan nitum kariblo choli sombe same ke dibandun dolo lapen ke la so jidu kitang tere gelong same jongsi ladak ada contractors tum pen lok ada itu PW department tu tadi sekelang pangkre dundu tumang te ada tu responsible si anai pusini tum kijong dundu lapen ke pinia me bang ke mesen son si lamchak pilo labang lalo je PW department tum tame ke bang ni tong sekot pen aso kam patang ko si alam tum tame lang pulo lapen ke most importantly contractors tumang tame ke bang 2019 Masang bong aso tuar patang pu pusi alam tu alam cetok ilo lapen soni gitu puthop dak tum isia mai du thulang da bangke dak KSA head branch pen organize do la bangke entry dax evon 11 ke educational awareness itu so mai du asila so along tame ke thidung da ke fere me hamren along non ke dubom o ki mi tum jitu drugs ke jitu hala bang so atumon along tomon ke nu long jitu ching bui du along ko son si litung Karbia khe tum ke na hok de dik thek long lor long kosom kado ke khang non uni ma haso responsible make hamra narat tum pini haso ar pu bangke envek nai pusini lini gi tu lapen ke laso jongsi laso atombom na padam bom lang butang te monon phi bangke tum bangke laso long bangke khang non ilo ate mala bangke isia kolwar pen lap itu paro tum madak itu ron su asen arlo lo pen so ron si ada alang tum declare pusil tum lang pang thek nai asela so ron long si okol kal bilu choli song det la solong rat tu jitu dun di pute ke bang jani bangela dak ke do ari so yang tu mang hingno piglang ko sini li bangke puram
Karbianglong District KASS Lapen NASS asa hem hanjang lang so along prinify enkora truck arni tilisia por malom jorhat along kedu Assam Agriculture University Vice Chancellor Dr Kamal Mala Bujar Barua Nangkahumri Alberta Karnews Ferangke Bokajan pen Berta Nangpali Assam Agriculture University Vice Chancellor Dr Kamal Mala Bajur Barwa Karbianglong District Committee Krisak Adhikar Suraksha Samiti Lepen Nari Adhikar Suraksha Samiti Asai Hamalong Nangkahumri Alang lipan kangtum karne padopon tet api sai chuti ki arat amai pita padopon labang so amai CB pen kachari pon amai long abarim Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM Rajendra Rong Pipensi alui kapachini apor enlo labang so amai long Karbi Dimasa Rengma Manipuri Kuki Assamese Akhipen Chenglok Bangsuri si Suse Aradatum Chetongdun Dr. Kamal Mala Bajur Baruapen Lamthe Kijai Ponke Pirthe along Munit ke Nangchan Bomlo Lapen Longlea Banke Nangjum Bomlo Saichuti ki anat kosona BDPNC Kiklempon Nangjima Lahai Aputa Klardak Pen Lamthe Kijai Pon Pado Along Lele Bihek Busidame Sok Han Hanso Lapen Biri Kateki Kepalong ki Ongji Abidi Than Pare Teka KASS lapen NASS amayalong ho or ki pipen keklem kedam nangji aputhak RD doklong pen lamthe than pachini sai chutiki araraphan aning paong pon asusu kadiki pon nangji aputhak ta than pajirmi pon pen pinaan asai chutiki aputhak chethan chemum padopon pensi mai mesen ingsamjin pen pachun pon NKBA ke parlo angkang langji thing along ke do Bethany Baptist Church Prenipa inkora trok arni anke ningkan inkora pho nangchok se silver jubilee talondun Bethany Baptist Church atum chepatir pi ponsi Prenipa inkora pho arni pen nipa inkora trok arni an nini pharman pamansi nipa inkora trok arni ada porphai troksi rajtima porpen pastor Ramsing Rong pipen lama ingthur ponlo adun tu porphai narkep a porpen NKBA Executive Secretary Reverend Benting Teron Arideng Pensi Ruplalin along e Kangpu pona berta karnis perangke anantarang pen berta napale ada porphai kep a porpen Ruptalin katalon karchu agirja ke padopon along Bethany Baptist Church Pastor Ramsing Rong pipen chepaim pu ponsi Bible lang ponsi mai kangpu alun ijir pensi cheng ponlo adun tu monduli chunbang je singnar pen alui pachini apor enlo alui man pen Speaker Reverend Lawrence Ingti NKBA Amaipo Elison Singnar Chunbang Reverend Benting Teron NKBA Mission Secretary Unique Terang SABF Amaipo Aaron Teron Chunbang William Singnar Lapen Manpeng Kedoatum Chetongtun Aduntu Reverend James Rongpi Aridengpen BBC Ruptelin Catalan Alokimo Ingpu Ponlo Lapen J Singnar Pen Monduli Apolkimo Aputhak Porhisi Parjuponlo Bangsopi Reverend Sina Lektepen Ningkaparu Alam Than Ponlo KAUC Dipo Tumpen Jumesen Lunjeto Lunponsi Parjuponlo Apor Keme Akhut Aprang Prang Keja Tumaphan Nong E Chepajir Pon Apor Enlo Lapen Reverend KS Ronghang Pen BBC Atumaphan Kardo Kipi Apor Enlo Lebangso Phi Bethany Baptist Church Nimali Aso Tumpen Project Alun Parjuponlo Ratpen Lunjir Lunpen Kawe Rong Pipi Pen Bible Porhi Ponsi Reverence L Ingti Pen Arnam Alam Than Ponlo Lapen Tiri Kam a convener KS Rong Pi Pen Kachetong Dun Atumaphan Kachoro Alam The Pajir Ponsi Maiki Jut Alun Lun Pen Maipu Pastor Ramsing Rong Pi Pen Arnam Ardomsi Mai Mesen Pen Pachur Ponlo Lapen Chetong Dun Atum An Pen Choranesan Chorap Sarsi Bethany Baptist Church Ruptalin Karchu Amai Mesen Pen Pajut Ponlo Nun malam support han berta mo ton ponik sina
Kopili Family Restaurant, a fine dining restaurant, the most flavorable and exciting meals made with passion. Ethnic cuisine like Indian tandoori, Chinese, Pan-Asian and Karbi kitchen. Special food items like seafood dishes, fish and prawns are served. Pork special like barbecue pork spare ribs and Northeast-style pork curry. Wait! Not only this, Durga Puja special buffet starts from 17th and valid till 19th of October 2018. Also, the restaurant does catering order for parties, events, wedding, etc. It also offers free home delivery services. Distance and minimum order. Within 2 kilometers, rupees 500, 2 to 5 kilometers, 700, and 7 to 10 kilometers, rupees 2,500. For queries and services, contact at 6901312934 or 6901312930. Kopili Family Restaurant, 4th floor, HRSA Complex, Dharamnala Road, Difu, near Bazar, India. Big sale! Up to 20% off on baby wear, 5% off on grocery items and 6% off on beauty and personal care. Also special Durga Puja offer on ladies and gents wear. To avail this opportunity, step in Saraswati Superstore right now. Home delivery services are available within 3 kilometers radius of Difu. For more details and services, please contact at 70024 56806 or 9957 537019. Saraswati Superstore MS Hans Enterprise near Mamta Pharmacy, Depot Main Market. Hurry up, hurry up. Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors opposite of DIG Bungalow, Difu Manje Road, Karbi Anglong, Difu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101147818. J&J Amandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435 925 116. J&J Amandu, Difu Karbi Anglong Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk Thelua kreng Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Trail, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dinamo piputat bertalong wangtulo. Khojai de nursing home along. RG ki dingkluipen kesu kacelang abang phi. Aphan ke damtan. Chiti ni phai ke thom arni. KPLT ka chapang ton lapen. Lo Charlie ariso jirlo timu. Adum ben vi ka chipidun adberta karnu salam berta nangpale. Khojai de nursing home along Westkar Benglong Amikar. Prodip be achor. Junali Ingling pi arta plikep. RG ki dingkluipen kesu kacholong bom abang phi. VKP akenang sot lapen tangka kudure parpig. Pubirta kelong pen KPLT ka chap kangton Difu Miles Pho Headquarter pen Pro Kison Rongpi Cheparjan Singhason Hanse Hojai an palesi Vika chipidun asai keneng an parta Karbia Kheaphan Kachinghon ke duajo Prodip be asupo ajirpo jirlong timu Inut lokachali ariso Penta vi chipidun thu Lasi ka chap kangton KPLT Pro Kison Rongpi Cheparjan Singhason Hansepen Inut lokacharni arisopen Vi Kenang sot abang phiaphan Kerat kepajir dun thek apot ninga klong pen kachur alam the kepajir abirta ribdin long ara berta bangla pansigang ton panigla dumbe thangme kurwang thu